Welcome back to the Straightforward Digital Strategy channel, where we give you bite-sized pieces of context into the current AI landscape. I'm your host, Peter Linton. Ethics is a broad subject that can be broken down into three main schools of thought for simplicity's sake: consequentialism, deontology, and virtue ethics. Consequentialists are concerned with the consequences of an action. Consequentialists judge an action by its results. Examples of consequentialism include utilitarianism, egoism, and altruism. Deontology, on the other hand, is concerned with rules, obligations, and duties. Deontologists judge an action by the rules being followed. Some examples of deontologists include the divine command theory, Kant, and rights-based ethics. Finally, virtue ethics is concerned with the virtue of the person performing the act. They judge an act based on the person's character. Some examples of virtue ethicists include Aristotle, Plato, and Confucius. If you're interested in learning more about the nuances of these schools of thought, I would recommend the course Justice by Michael Sandel. He puts it in a way that makes the material very accessible and frames it in a way that you most likely have never thought about before. I put the link in the comments. Join me for the next AI fluency video where we cover safety. Until next time.